Happy New Year and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we invite you to step into the spotlight as we share a DIY version of American Girl's newest Girl of the Year, Kavi Sharma's Backstage set. Featuring a folding stage frame with double-sided curtains, microphone and stand, revamped director's chair and vanity. Explore and enjoy all the possibilities of this performance space for a fraction of the AG price tag. We'd love it if you hit that like button and subscribe. You can also check out our previous Girl of the Year big ticket items by clicking the links in the description box below. So, let's get making! Starting with the folding stage, for the dais we took the lid from a round flower box. It has a diameter of 25 centimeters and this will determine the width of the stage frames. For the center frame, we are using rectangular strips of balsa wood. Cut 2 long posts, 1 support beam and a top piece. For this part of the project, we are using wood glue to adhere our balsa pieces. Apply it to the raw end of the support beam, then position it 5 centimeters from the top edge of your long post. Repeat for the other side. For extra strength, you can take thin sewing pins and push them through the balsa wood to secure the joins. Put glue on the base of each long post, then glue to the dais, spacing the legs evenly over the center line. Close your frame with your top piece. We will show how to make the truss details soon. You can leave the balsa wood raw or paint it cream to match AG's version. Next, we have smaller square balsa rods for the left and right side frames. Each frame requires 2 long posts, support beam, base piece, top piece, and an additional round decorative rod. Lay out your pieces as seen on screen, positioning the support beam 5 centimeters from the top edge, the round rod 15 centimeters from the top edge, and the base piece flush with the bottom edge. Don't attach the top beam yet, as we will use paper straws to make the truss element. You need 6 even lengths per frame, cutting the straw on a diagonal for an angled tip. Working from the sides to the center, glue your straw pieces to the support beam, forming the definitive triangle shapes. Now attach the top beam. To connect the side frames to our center frame, make paperboard hinges the same width as your balsa wood. We use the established crease from cereal boxes for our hinges. Next, divide the wider center frame post in half vertically. Apply glue to only one side, then stick the paperboard to this side. Allow time for the glue to completely dry before attaching the left side frame to your hinge. Repeat for the right side frame. Now your stage can fold up for a different scene and for easy storage. Moving on to the curtain. We bought this red and silver material from Lincraft during their Boxing Day sale. Cut 2 rectangles from each fabric. Place a red and a silver piece together, good sides facing in. Sew around the edge with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Leave a small opening to turn out the material, then stitch the gap closed. To mount the curtains, American Girl uses hooks that clip over the stage frame. To mimic this, we recycled a thick plastic packaging box that was similar in width to our wooden beam. Cut 2 centimeter wide strips with the overlapped plastic seam in the middle. Now continue bending the plastic over your rod to make additional tabs. You need 5 tabs in total. Wrap your plastic clip around the wood to check the fit. It should slide easily from side to side. Make more hooks for the left and right side frames and 2 bigger ones for the center frame. Paint them all cream. Now we can staple one face of the plastic clip to the silver side of our curtain. You want to use enough staples per clip so it is well attached and can support the weight of the fabric. Slip the hooks over the top beams. With this method, the curtains can be removed later if desired. Kavi's stage is looking great, but let's step it up with some lighting. We found this pack of star string lights at Kmart for $3. They are the perfect size for 18-inch doll decor. But to match Kavi's star lights, we coloured the clear acrylic with hot pink permanent marker. This simple trick works great. Position your lights around the truss area and hide the battery pack inside the folds of the curtain. They look lovely as is, but are super effective when the room lights are turned off. Now let's craft a simple microphone and stand for our dolls to use when performing. Here we took the lamp stand that we made in our Unlikely Doll Treasures video. Remove the bulb and hardware to keep just the stand. To mimic the tension adjuster grip, we used this ribbed small glue stick cap, cut a hole in the centre and slid it over the top of the pole. Above this, we glued a small wooden spool. To hold the mic, we cut a 3 cm portion from this large boba straw, trimmed away the middle to open it up, then hot glued it to the spool, tipping it on an angle. Paint the stand black. For a super quick and easy doll microphone, we used the cap from a dried out black marker and trimmed down the length of the clip. Next, cut a 1 cm wide strip of hot pink paper and roll it into a tube. Slip this over the rim of the cap. For the pretty jewel decoration, take square rhinestone stickers and adhere them in rows around the pink paper. You can peel away the silver backing paper from the gems, thus allowing the pink colour to shine through. The microphone grill is just a wooden bead with a thin strip of paper wrapped around the middle. Paint silver, then hot glue into the opening of your marker cap. You can easily place the mic in your doll's hand using the cap's clip. And it also fits perfectly into the holder on the stand when not in use. We have Rebecca's director chair from a previous American Girl set and are going to revamp it to match Kavi's collection. First, spray the faux wooden arms and legs gloss black. Make a simple chair cover from lavender felt sheets. Cut 2 large rectangles, plus a centre strip. Cut 2 shorter strips for the sides. Stitch the centrepiece between the front and back rectangles. Flip the fabric to the good side and lay your side strips flush with each edge. Sew to close up the pocket, then turn it out. Place it over the backrest of your chair. To cover the seat, cut a long strip of felt the same width as the canvas. Wrap it around, pinning or stitching closed on the underside. Add a pink cushion for a pop of colour. The set is almost finished. We just need the vanity, but we will show you how to make that in our next video. Thanks for joining us today as we made items from Kavi Sharma's collection. And be sure to come back soon for more miniature crafting fun!